Good morning to all. Myself Om Shankar Yadav, Assistant Professor Agronomy. Subject is rainfed farming and today topic is strategies for drought management. The different strategies for drought management are discussed under the following headings. Three headings: adjusting the plant population, mid-season correction, and life-saving irrigation and water harvesting. So, adjusting the plant population. The plant population should be lesser in dryland condition than under irrigated condition. The rectangular type of planting pattern should always be followed under dryland conditions. Under dryland condition, wherever moisture stress occurs due to prolonged dry spells under limited moisture supply, the adjustment of plant population can be done by increasing the inter-row distance बढ़ा करके, by adjusting more number of plants within the row and increase the distance between the rows, reduce the competition during any part of the growing period of the crops. Hence, it is more suitable for limited moisture supply conditions. जहाँ पर moisture supply limited होती है उस जगह inter-row distance बढ़ा देते हैं. Second is increasing the intra-row distance. Here, the distance between plants is increased by which plant grow luxuriously from the beginning. There will be competition for moisture during the reproductive period of the crop. Hence, it is less advantageous as compared to above under limited moisture supply. जहाँ moisture supply कम होती वहाँ पर intra-row distancing कम suitable होती है, advantageous होती है. एंड सेकेंड इज मिड सीजन करेक्शन. क्रॉप ग्रोविंग पीरियड के बीच में यदि सूखा पड़ जाता है तो उस समय क्या कर सकते हैं. द कंटिजेंसी मैनेजमेंट प्रैक्टिस डन इन द स्टैंडिंग क्रॉप टू ओवरकम द अनफेवरेबल सॉइल मॉइस्चर कंडीशन ड्यू टू प्रॉन्ग्ड ड्राई स्पेस आर नोन एज मिड सीजन करेक्शन. लंबे समय ग्रोथ पीरियड के बीच में यदि ड्राई स्पेस आ जाता है तो उसमें मिड सीजन करेक्शन कर लेते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, द फर्स्ट इज थिनिंग. This can be done by removing every alternate row or every third row, which will save the crop from failure by reducing the competition. And second is spraying. In crop like groundnut, castor, red gram, etc., during prolonged dry spells, the crop can saved by spraying water at weekly interval or 2% urea at week to 10 days interval. And third is rattoning. In crops like sorghum and bajra, rattoning can practice as mid-season correction measure after break of dry spells. And mulching. It is a practice of spreading any covering material on soil surface to reduce evaporation losses. The mulching will prolong the moisture availability in the soil and save the crop during drought conditions. And next is weed control. Weed compete with crop for different growth resources seriously under dryland condition. The water requirement of most of the weed is more than the crop plants. Hence, they compete more for soil moisture. Therefore, the weed control, especially during early stage of crop growth, reduce the impact of dry space by soil moisture conservation. And next, third point is giving life-saving irrigation and water harvesting. The collection of runoff during peak period of rainfall and storing in different structures is known as water harvesting. The stored water can be used for giving the life-saving irrigation during prolonged dry spells. And soil moisture conservation through watershed development, in which check dams, contour budding, drought-tolerant varieties, green manure treatment, vegetative barriers, rehabilitation of watersheds, continuous monitoring of environmental variables is one of the way to track the occurrence of drought. Deepening of old wells, digging of new wells, drilling of boreholes, construction of multi-purpose dams, timely availability of credit, postponement of revenue collection and repayment of short-term agricultural loans implementation of crop livestock insurance schemes, early warning and drought monitoring should be carried out on the basis of long, medium and short term forecast. Education and training to be people participation in community programs bring public awareness of drought and water conservation and media awareness programs. That is end.